Subscribe to this channel. Get 2 amazing recipes every week. Like today's recipe. I'm making couscous. Fantastic. You know what's great about it? Cooks so fast. Very versatile. And now let's get cooking. Okay, so first thing I have to do is introduce you to a very special pot I use for this recipe. It's called the tagine. So this is what it is. This is the base, right? I have a cast iron base, and the cover is very interesting. This is the cover, right? Goes right on top of the base like that. And the cover is like this cone thing that captures all the moisture that rises and then it collects and it falls back down and bastes the food. Very interesting stuff. Call it tagine. I like it. Okay, now a word about couscous. Where's my couscous? Okay? Near East couscous. Good stuff. And great thing about couscous is that it's quick. It's so simple, so easy. It's so delicious. And healthy too. Let's get started. Okay, so my tagine is heated up on medium heat and I add a tablespoon of oil. And I start with 1 small onion, just diced up. I like garlic, so I'm using 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Hey, if you want to, you could add 6 cloves. If you don't like garlic as much, you can add 2 cloves. 4 cloves is perfect for me. Then I have to add some ginger in this. Usually I'll buy some fresh ginger root, use half and throw out half. This way, it's already chopped, very convenient, and I use this up and nothing goes to waste. About a teaspoon of ginger. Hey, look how convenient that is. Now I have to add some seasoning. What I'm going to use is this Moroccan seasoning. And you can buy all kinds of Moroccan seasoning. This is the one I choose. It's McCormick, so it's good brands, good stuff. I like it. I've used it before. I like the way it tastes, so I use it. If you like a different one, that's fine. I'm going to use a tablespoon of this Moroccan seasoning. Hey, that's what it looks like. Fantastic. I'm going to add 1 can of fire roasted diced tomato. Hey, if all you have is diced tomato, that's fine. I like the fire roasted. It gives me a little extra flavor. I'm going to add garbanzo beans. Okay, I'm using Goya brand. That's the brand I prefer. You can use any brand you like. This is a 15-ounce can. Fantastic. And see how the beans just look really nice. Drain them, rinse them, but the beans look nice and clean. It's a nice quality product, Goya. I'm going to add 1 can of chickpeas to that. Hey, this is a sweet potato couscous. So next thing I have to do is add sweet potato. Now here's the question: do I peel them or not? A lot of nutrition from the sweet potato is found just under the skin. So peeling them, it's a question whether you want to do it or not. I'm going to peel them because I like the look of it better, and this is a very nutritious dish anyway. So I don't need the extra nutrition for this, but it's up to you. Peel them, don't peel them. Just if you don't peel them, just wash them really good. If you peel them, you just rinse them off. They're fine. So I need 2 sweet potatoes, and I'm just using 2 medium sweet potatoes. Now I have to cut them into, about 1/2-inch dice. Now I've got to add the sweet potato. Ooh, this smells delicious. Okay, now I'm adding, remember I said we have to do that liquid, 2 parts of liquid to 1 part of couscous. So I'm going to add 2 cups of vegetable broth. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. That's going to give me a nice kind of a yellowish color. Great flavor and very healthy. Okay, I have to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, so here's a little bit of science, right? Sweet potatoes take about 20 minutes to cook. The couscous takes about 10 minutes to cook. So I have to let this simmer and make sure sweet potatoes are cooked before I add the couscous. So once you add the couscous, you're turning off the heat, and 10 minutes it's done. So at this point, I let this, right now it's like a stew. I let this stew kind of cook. When it's all cooked, then I can add the couscous, turn the fire off, and wait 10 minutes longer, and we are done. So I'm going to let this cook for 20 minutes. Hey, I'm going to go relax. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Check that out. That's terrific. Now, got to add the couscous. Okay, 1 cup of couscous, and check that out. That's what couscous looks like. It's like it's like almost like a ground pasta. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to mix that in. Half a cup of raisins. Very important. What I have in the couscous so far is stuff that's kind of very savory. Just going to give it some sweetness. Okay, I'm going to give this about 10 minutes. We'll check it out then. Okay, check this out. This is absolutely delicious. Wonderful. Hey, you know what else is terrific? You gotta check out my chicken soup. Wow, that's nice. It's like a meal in itself. Just like this. You make everything in one pot. Easy cleanup. Fantastic. Check out that video, and I'll see you there.